Hello friends, Dragon Dunk introducing Play to Earn Airdrop event. Start from 26 February to 10 March. Reward up to 50 million tokens for top 400 wallets and randomly 200 wallets. If you want to join this airdrop, you need to simply click on the link I provided into the description. Then you need to click on registered. Input your email, username and password to sign up. Connect your Solana wallet, the preferred Phantom wallet, to be connected. Play the game and earn points to rank up into the leaderboard. Click in. Check in daily to get points. Refer friends to get more points. Dragon Dunk is one of the most addictive play to earn dragon game in Solana ecosystem. Master the sky with your dragons in a play to earn experience like no others. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our channel.